Chevre, look who's coming in over here. We have the boys, the heavy Chevre.
Wow.
Shalom Aleichem Shalom. The one doesn't know yet who you are. This Shalom knows who he is. But this Shalom doesn't know yet who he is.
Listen.
He is the lucky winner, a Heilige Revnitze Bekitche. And we're here to give over the Heilige Bekitche. It's here on the table.
I mean, that's Shalom.
That's Shalom, right? But you'll share it. Chevre, the Heilige Bekitche, Shalom HaKudish, Revnitze, Matunis HaGrule, Zichron Shlomo Refuah Fund. Wow! Giving it over to Shalom Jerostowitz, who bought the ticket on my status and won it. Lass mal singen zusammen.
One to 500, I think. 81.
$81 you paid for it?
$81 from Chaim status.
So you saw it on my status?
The Perlowitz status.
So let me ask you a minute. You have anything with the Revnitze before you saw my status about the Revnitze?
Yeah, the raffle struck me because I go to the Revnitze. I try to go every Chodesh to that.
Every Chodesh? Wow, for how many years?
For 9 years about now.
Wow.
And so that's what struck me. There's a lot of raffles. There's a lot of Rolex raffles and watch raffles.
The
Revnitze Bekitche is what it caught my eye.
Where do you live?
I live in North Woodmere.
From 5 towns?
From the 5 towns.
Wow, you saw that raffle and you said, Heimische people there.
Yeah.
I just stopped vlogging 5 towns.
Yeah, the Heimische, they're not going to go for the Bekitches.
They know Yiddish. What do you mean? KMH.
Maybe you should get the ear Bekitche Twillery. Okay, get on there. So, a matter of fact, I have a picture on my wall in my dining room.
This is in your dining room?
In my dining room.
The Heilige Revnitze is on the wall. So this is way before.
Yeah.
You're Mekush with the Revnitze.
Yeah.
So when you saw this raffle, on my status, you said, Chaim, I'm buying it.
Yep.
Did you dream you ever going to win it?
I did not dream.
Did you ever win anything before in your life?
No, not like this. Not like this.
You have the ticket here for $81.
Let me pull it up here.
What made you take a screenshot? Here's the ticket.
Here's the ticket.
Zichron Shlomo paid $81 in honor of Chaim Perlowitz. Wow. So can I get to wear it on Shabbos? It was in my honor.
Okay, listen,
wow.
We have to figure out when it's meant to be worn. We have to figure out when it's meant to be worn.
Yeah, 100%. You have to ask your roof when you're supposed to wear it. A chippah by the holy time.
Listen.
Not just it's really special.
Hopefully it'll bring bracha and yeshus. That's it.
Amen. The Heilige Revnitze Bekitche. Now, Sean, I'm going to let you, there's another raffle now going on, not for the Revnitze Bekitche, not for the Kerestia Bekitche, for Bitcoin. Bitcoin.
I've heard of Bitcoin.
You heard of Bitcoin. I see you follow Shmuel Younger a little. You heard of Bitcoin.
I follow you.
You follow me and I post Shmuel Younger. Exactly.
That's
so, I'm going to give you a free ticket, since you're the winner, a free ticket to strike again, spin the wheel, and buy a ticket now for the $30,000 Bitcoin.
Okay, wow.
Let's do it, okay?
Let's,
okay, everybody, here's the next raffle now for the Bitcoin.
Bitcoin in honor of Chaim Perlowitz.
Let's do it. Buy the new ticket in honor of the Chaim Perlowitz status. Play, let's hit it. Let's see that. Okay, let's see submit. Ooh, let's see how much that's going to be.
Okay, a 3, a 5.
Whoa, $3.59, a little more than last ticket, $81.
Yeah, a little more. Okay, it's for a good cause.
It's a good cause. Zichron Shlomo is such a beautiful organization that helps patients all day. Little kids, patients who are in the hospital, they're there for them, whatever they need. So you're there for Zichron Shlomo. Reb Shalom, I want to give a shout out to Chaim Roth from Malchus. He made this beautiful talis, not talis beitel, the Bekitche beitel. Shout out to Malchus from Judaica for sponsoring this for Zichron Shlomo and for the Heilige Revnitze Bekitche. You want to try it on?
No, I'm not.
Put it away for Heilige Zeit.
Yeah, not ready yet. Okay.
The right time.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Chevre, Zichron Shlomo. Shkoyach for you is legit. People always say raffles are legit. This is legit, Chevre. We're giving over the Revnitze Bekitche. Can we show it to them? Just open it up. Just want to take a glimpse at the Heilige Bekitche from the Revnitze. Wow. Not next to the smartphone. Look at this Bekitche, Chevre. The Heilige Revnitze Bekitche. Unbelievable. The Rebbe wore this. Chevre, go right now. I'm going to put the link on the screen. The Revnitze Bekitche you can't get, but it's chista. Be a partner with Zichron Shlomo. You can still be. Go buy your ticket now for $30,000 in Bitcoin.
You may win. I never thought I would.
You never thought you would win. What was your reaction when you got that phone call from the
I was in shock.
You were in shock.
I was in total shock.
And right away you knew you were going to take the Revnitze Bekitche over the $30,000?
Yeah, if you saw the clip, I said it.
You said right away.
I said, when do I need to know? But he said, the other wants to know what you want to do. Right away I felt I wanted the Bekitche.
If you have the Revnitze hanging in your dining room, you go every Chodesh.
Yeah.
Then it's for you, Chevre.